ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ಆನರೇಬಲ್ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇನಾಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಟೆಕ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ 2024 ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅನ್ಬಾಂಡ್ untighting global innovations, creating impact of the world. The main hints now are hearing. Australia is the official country partner for the Bangalore Tech Summit BTS 2024, launch of India's first GCC policy, fostering deeper global collaborations. MUI is signing with Switzerland and Finland and a letter of intent with the Sharjah Innovations Authority UAE, enhancing startups investors relation. Venture capital connect with 50 leading global investors, bringing a combined potentials investment fund for more than 17.5 billion USD. Fireside chats and expert speakers, an unmissable lineup of visionaries, convergence exploring the future of a tech. Bigger and more impactful, the 3-day BTS 2024 will be the Asia's largest ever tech conclave. The main points who is the speaker at the time of inauguration functions by the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Siddaramaiah. Bangalore 19 November 24. The 27th editions of Bangalore Tech Summit 24 organized by the Department of Electronics, IT, BT, Government of Karnataka and Software Technology Parks of India, Bangalore, inaugurated by Sri Siddaramaiah, Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, in the august presence of Sri D.K. Shivakumar, Honorable Deputy Minister of Karnataka, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivakumar, today at Bangalore Palace. This year, a theme, Unbound, will celebrate technology of abilities, transcend traditional boundaries, creating pathways for global partnerships and cutting-edge advancement across industry. The inaugural ceremony was graced by Sri Priyanka Kharge, Honorable Minister for Information Technology and Biotechnology and Rural Development, Panchayat Raj, Government of Karnataka, Dr. Anna Krishnan, Member of Parliament and Commissioner for Startups and the Digital Economy, the Federal Ministry of Economic Affairs and Climate Actions, BMWK, Germany, Mr. Alexandra Dublancy, Vice President in charge Recovery, Economic Development, Attractiveness and Innovations for Paris region, France, and Dr. Ekrup Kaur, IAS Secretary to Government, Department of Electronics, ITBT and Science and Technology, Government of Karnataka. An important highlight of the ceremony was the recognitions given by the Department of Electronics, ITBT, Government of Karnataka to Mr. Srihasta Majety, CEO, co-founder of Swiggy, for the remarkable achievements in building one of the Karnataka's earliest and most inspiring startups. Sriharsha Majety expressed his gratitude for the honor, acknowledging Karnataka's vibrant innovations ecosystems for inspiring and empowering entrepreneurs to dream big and create impactful solutions.